people. So, firstly, if there's wind noise, I'd like to apologize, but damn Jackie, I can't control the weather. Secondly, if there's wind chimes going off, damn Jackie, I can't control the wind, you know? So most of the stuff today is going to be time-lapse, mostly because there's a lot of noise and things like that. Last video I said we were going to be getting some safety goggles sometime next week. It is sometime next week, so that showed up. What are we doing today? What we're doing today is going to be, we're going to try and see what we can get removed from the front end. I need to try and get all of that stuff out. Disconnect anything that's left here on the side and anything that's left at the bottom. Yeah. Hopefully, I'm gonna work as hard as I can to get everything disconnected today, so that tomorrow, finally, the motor can go bloop bloop and bloop bloop, and then I can take the engine hoist and return it to Thailand. I did say a week. It has been about a week, so should probably get that back to him. Let's get started, guys. Also, if I always look like I'm wearing the same clothes, it's because I don't bath. It's definitely not because I have multiple of the same shirt. I just don't bath. Also, last quick one. I'm gonna try and get more cinematic shots and try and get, like, I don't know. I wanna try and make the video look prettier. So I'm trying to get more cinematic shots. It's just like, right now it's a dirty ass engine bay with broken windshields and ugly ass backgrounds and things like that. There's nothing really to cinematize in this. But I'm gonna try and do my editing a little bit better. I'm gonna try and get, you know, just everything looking a little bit. And then once that's good, yeah. If you guys got any suggestions, you know, just let me know. I'll try it out, you know what I'm saying? Lofi, so we got most of the stuff off. I keep finding bolts everywhere. I don't think that's a good sign. I really don't. That's quite worrisome when you just find random bolts lying around everywhere.
It's your screws.
My screws are loose.
Yes.
Yeah. So now I think I got everything off. I think. I could be mistaken. I don't know. I'm gonna go through. I was taking apart this stuff so I could see a little bit better at the back. But I'm gonna try and carry on going through there and try and clear up as much as I can so it's a smooth removal process. And then, yeah, we'll see what happens from there. This is it. We are all clear. I did once over on the motor and there is nothing else connected except the engines, like whatever those things are called, those things that hold the engine in place, and the gearbox. So what does that mean? That means that tomorrow's the day. Tomorrow is the day that we finally stop. Relax, you're shaking my camera. That means tomorrow is the day that we finally pull this motor out, and then we're gonna pressure wash this with the new pressure washer we got. Yeah, we got some pressure washers in this, and yeah, disconnected the AC lines, disconnected basically everything here. The intake box, the AC condenser, I think that's the name, the radiator itself, shroud, everything's out. Everything is out. Right now, I'm just gonna clean up. I'm not gonna bore you guys with me cleaning this stuff up, because we're gonna pick it up tomorrow. I'm gonna go and do some other stuff. If you ever hear me saying like goodbye or hello and all of those types of things in random parts of the video, please understand I'm still trying to figure out how to time the videos. I don't know yet. I don't know whether I've been recording for like 5 minutes or whether I've been recording for like an hour. I don't know yet. So if this is in the middle of the video, I don't know, maybe I'm gonna put the engine removal in this video, not in the next one. Probably. Nah, actually, that's gonna be in the next video, because I'm gonna assemble the engine stand, we're gonna pull this thing off, we're gonna get that thing on the engine stand, we're gonna start cleaning everything up. That's what we're gonna do in the next video. So for right now, I'm gonna say thanks to everyone who's watching. Yeah, you guys know what to do. Hit that like button, you know, it helps me out a lot. You know, I'm still a small YouTuber. If you guys can, hit the share button, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you guys have any suggestions, anything I can change, anything I can do better. Let me know. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate that. Till the next time. Love you, Mr. Bye.